Hello and welcome to Dental Stack. I'm Aditi and today I'll show you how easy it is to sign up as a doctor on Dental Stack. Let's get started. To begin, enter your email and create a password. Or for added convenience, sign up with Google. But remember, once you choose, you can't switch. If you're doing a manual sign up, click Get OTP to receive a verification code on your email. After verifying, select your role and click on Continue to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to provide your first name and last name for account setup. Currently, we verify mobile numbers with the country code +91. For other country codes, mobile number is optional. So click on Get OTP and enter the OTP received by you. Next, select the features you'll be using such as braces or aligners or both. Then choose your services from the list provided and proceed by clicking on Continue. Once you've completed these steps, you will land on the dashboard. And here's a handy tip. You can bookmark the star for easy access by clicking on the star button. Going forward, it will appear on your toolbar giving you quick access to Dental Stack when you need it. You can also create a shortcut which will appear on your desktop. Don't forget you can sign out anytime by clicking on your profile and selecting Sign Out. And if you face any issues, click on the chat assist icon and write to us. Our support team will help you with any problems you face. Before you go, just a quick reminder, for the best experience, use Dental Stack on your computer or laptop. The display on your mobile phone may not be optimal. And that's it. You're set to revolutionize your dental practice with Dental Stack. Thank you for your patience and trust. Happy dentistry!